In this video, we'll be talking about quadrilaterals, specifically trapezoids. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon, and a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. Now, usually when we visualize a trapezoid, we think of it looking like this. But we can change that appearance. So as long as we have our two bases parallel, and in this case AB is parallel to CD, then we have a trapezoid. Okay, remember that you can rotate trapezoids, so it doesn't have to have the base parallel to the horizontal. Let's take this back to the way it was we're used to. Now, when we talk about trapezoids, there's names for different parts of the trapezoid. This parallel side is called the base, and this parallel side is called the base. The non-parallel sides are called legs. So whenever you're doing any kind of work with the trapezoid, make sure you find out which two sides are parallel. Those will be your bases, and then the non-parallel sides will be the legs. Also, if we find the midpoint of our non-parallel sides, and construct that line segment that connects those points, this line segment is called the median. So the median has some properties that we need to be aware of. If we measure this median, and then we measure our bases, BA, and CD, and then find the average of our two bases, divide by 2. You'll see that the average of the two bases is 10.4 centimeters in this case, which is exactly what our median measures, 10.4. So even if we move change our measures or change one of the measures, we still have a median that's equal to the average of the two bases. So let me write that over here. The median is the average of the bases. Also, get rid of this so it's not so messy. Let's measure this angle, angle BHG. BHG. That's that angle. And then measure this corresponding angle, angle HCD. You'll notice that this angle and this angle are equal, which we know from our geometry that if corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. And we already know that AB is parallel to CD, so all three of these segments then are parallel. And again, we can move the trapezoid and we still have the median parallel to the bases. Let me write that over here. One other thing then, the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases. So let me write that. So we have three things, actually four. By definition, a trapezoid has exactly one pair of parallel sides. The median is the average of the bases, so you can find the length of your median. Let me go ahead and write median equals 1/2 times B1 plus B2. So the median is the average of the bases, then the median is parallel to the bases. Comes in handy sometimes, and then also the area of our trapezoid is 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases.